We're here in Kenosha, Wisconsin at Snap-on Tools World Headquarters, and I'm with Jeff Weiss and the Crudthug. Funny name, serious performance, and we have some accessories here as well. Break it down. What does this thing do?
This is a really versatile tool. It's used, like it says in the name, for removing crud, dirt, and other debris from automotive frames or wherever else you need to get to.
Looking at these, you can see the accessories. You got straight pins, you got bent pins, and even this rubber wheel. What do those do?
On a lot of vehicles, you got pinstriping, different graphics that need to be removed. This is the accessory for that. It saves a lot of time and it doesn't damage the paint finish.
Straight pins, bent pins.
Anytime you're working on a flat surface, you need to remove paint or dirt, you'd use the straight. If you're trying to get into crevices or other tighter areas, the bent pins is the wheel to use. 10
speeds, variable RPM, and even has an adjustable exhaust, so when you're removing some of that debris, dust gets in the air, you don't want it to shoot back at your face.
Right, very user-friendly.
Speaking user-friendly, got some glasses, got some gloves, so you're actually gonna remove some of the graphics here on this can, but it's not gonna puncture, it's full. I don't wanna be sprayed with soda.
Yeah, it shows the power and finesse of this tool.
All right, so I'll hold on to it, and you remove some of that paint there, buddy. Jeff, this thing is awesome. As it implies, it removes big crud, big jobs, but also just enough finesse to knock the paint off this unopened soda can.
That's right, really versatile.
All right, well there you have it. Funny name, serious performance, the Crudthug.